What's going on, guys? I am the Desperado, and today I have two of my all-time favorites, the Explosion de Dinero from the Texas Lottery. But I must say, I haven't really had that much luck on these lately, so I kind of backed off on them. But I saw them, so I'm like, why not give them a shot? I got tickets number 17 and tickets number 18. Overall odds on this ticket are 1 in 3.64. It's a matching numbers game. You get a 5x or a 10x, you win those multiples. Let's keep this short and sweet. Up at the top, we're just looking for two bonus symbols. Let's see if we can get anything. Diamonds are not a man's best friend. Shocking. Well, no crap game. Apple and sun don't even go together, so why bother? Alright, let's see what numbers we are looking for. 22, 26, 33, 49, and 50. And the 5 and 10x multipliers. Nothing yet. Beating around the bush. Still nothing. See if we can pull it off. Well, ticket number 17 was a dud, and that's okay. We got one more shot. We got ticket number 18. Same bet, same channel. Here we go. No crap game. Gold bar and gold. That should match, but it doesn't. And once again, diamond's not a man's best friend. What numbers are we looking for? 13, 12, 37, pocket 4, and 15. Well, I'm not liking that setup, but stranger things have happened. It's the lottery. Nothing there. Still nothing. $50. We needed that on our last ticket. Too bad we can't switch. Well, that's alright. You can't win them all. Alright, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.